Santirbazar bakhaste Amchai Achomsa tui Lomkha Nokha Laugang te Muhori Twima tui thom tui Lomjak kok tu salni horo wati kisa wamabai Santirbazar bakhaste ni krung thayo tui Achomsa bangai thanga tui Lombai thanga kolobui thanga Santirbazar bakhaste ni Laugang Twima te Muhori Twima tui Achomsa bangai thanga tui arigana Twima arigana tonera tongkosong lukorongni nogo tui hab thangbaikya Achomsa khlaye tui bang thamabai kiri koron nangai thanglakya Thanai bisiwo jeti khlai wati babai tui lomkha as halno mutu manjabakya tongkosong lukurok Achomsa khlai tui lom thamabai wati kisa wamabai asuk tui bangmo tui no tongkosong lukurin bakhawo kiri koron nanglaja nainedi Laugang Twima bai Muhori Twima tui busuk arilai bangkha tuk najago o hospital x-ray ki sutui cough test khlairni bagi namashak shep tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital hati bar thugine eba every week no kisasuk chongjak salo buirongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital talburung na Chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phai kaham hayong bemni shakdok sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebasina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo Kuguni Hospital Loving Sulai Oro Kisha Rangbaino Kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo Toibo kaham kai saimannani bagoi tin hospital of hai visit khalaimano hambai.
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantari Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantari Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantari multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikpanawar railway station.